December 31, 2023. Pursuant to Special Orders number NHQ-SO-2023-8PCU5 dated October 11, 2023, National Headquarters, Philippine National Police, Police Executive Master Sergeant Ronaldo Vasquez de los Arcos, 112690, is optionally retired from the PNP service effective December 31, 2023.
And unwavering loyalty to the service rendered as Police Non-Commissioned Officer of the Philippine National Police from September 16, 1997 to December 31, 2023, given the 7th day of November 2023 at the Manila Police District, United Nations Avenue, Vita, Manila, signed Police Colonel Arnold Thomas C. by Acting District Director, MP. This plaque of recognition is presented to Police Executive Master Sergeant Ronaldo Vasquez de los Arcos, 112690. The Medallion of Pagdiling Gold is also awarded for having completed 26 years, 3 months, 2 weeks, and 1 day of fruitful and honorable service in the Philippine National Police. It's also presented that composed of acquired ranks with PNP unit logos. Likewise, in grateful appreciation of her deep sense of understanding of the duties and responsibilities of Police Executive Master Sergeant Ronaldo Vasquez de los Arcos as a police officer, her love, support, and untold sacrifices as a devoted wife have contributed immensely to her husband's effectiveness and efficiency in rendering quality police service. A certificate of appreciation is presented to his spouse, Mrs. Flordelicia B. de los Arcos. A replica of the Bank ATM card is likewise presented for lump sum amounting to 1,757,582 centavos and computation of accumulated leave in the amount of 2,823,807.90 centavos, a monthly pension of 48,820.24 centavos, and other benefits to be deposited. And finally, a cash gift with the amount of 10,000 pesos and personalized big clear bond is presented to Police Executive Master Sergeant Dennis Alvarez. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank